Hi guys, today I will use the screencaster to introduce my Mandarin teaching about the topic weather. Firstly, my student will learn the vocabulary from the video. 天气，晴天，多云，阴天，下雨，下雪，打雷，刮风。After we learn the vocabulary, now we will start to do some activity to help us to memorize and know how to use this vocabulary. Now here you will see some pictures. We will use the picture to do the activity. The student will work with their partner and they can do some picture talk. When they see the picture here, it is 晴天、打雷、下雨、阴天、多云、下雪。Now after that, we will also do some memory game to memorize the vocabulary. And also I will use this video to learn the basic interpersonal speaking about how is the weather. They will ask how is the weather today. 天气怎么样? They will ask start today is 今天多云，今天下